Cursor, Kiro, and Windsurf. These three are the most popular AI coding tools right now. But to compare their powers, I gave them exactly the same prompt to check which one is the better. So let's start the video with a demo. First, Windsurf. So I opened Windsurf and I logged in with a free account and I gave it a prompt, create a calculator app using React.js. Now I will use the exact same prompt to create a simple calculator app using React.js. Now in the first try, Windsurf did give me an error, but in the second try, it started working properly. So now it is creating all the files for me. Now after npm install is successful, I am ready to run npm run dev. So npm run dev encountered some issue, as you can see in the screen, and Windsurf is actually correcting itself. So it is deleting the node module, the package log.json, and it is reinstalling all the modules. So once it is successful, it again asked me to run npm run dev, and it will open the system browser for me. So I will manually do it anyways. So now you can see that in the browser, the calculator app should load properly. As you can see that a basic calculator app is running in localhost. I can type some basic arithmetic operation and it is giving correct response. So this is the demo for Windsurf. Now I will actually ask it to change the background color. So I will write a prompt, can you change the background color for me? And it will actually ask me which background color should I want. So I will just type I want dark solid. Yeah, that will work. So again it will change something in app.jsx, and as you can see that the background is applied successfully. Now let's check in the Windsurf dashboard how many tokens it used. So you can see that my daily quota is still 98% remaining, which means it only used 2% of my daily available quota for free tier. Now from this drop down, you can see which models are available in Windsurf. So you can see that Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet is available. Okay, so let's compare it with Cursor now. So I've opened a new folder and I will give it the exact same prompt, create a calculator app using React.js, and I will hit enter. Now it will do all the processing, and this is with the Cursor that you can control the settings. So basically for each command it runs, you have to give the access to run that command. So basically you have to hit allow every time. However, you can keep the setting as global, which means that for every command it will run it automatically. So now it is generating readme and it is successful. So in localhost you can see that the app is running fine. Now I will type something to check if it is working fine. Yes, there is no error, right? So now you can see that it is working fine. I'll try to change the background. So I'll again give it the same prompt, can you change the background color of the app? So let's see how it performs as compared to Windsurf. So here it didn't ask which color do the user need, it directly changed this. And this is the thing with Cursor, that it sometimes auto assume that you want the particular color. This again is subject to people. for someone like me, I don't like this particular thing. So now I will go to the cursor dashboard to see. So you can see that it almost took me 26 cents for this particular request. So friends, before moving ahead, if you are enjoying this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It motivates us a lot. So now let's see the Kiro application. So I have opened an empty folder and I will give the same prompt, build a calculator app using React.js. Kiro's UI is pretty different from Cursor and Windsurf. So the gradient shades, especially, it is very amazing, right? So you have to hit allow button for certain prompts to work. Now I will ask it to run the app in localhost, and it is running the app. But here is the problem: it is just running the placeholder app. I will ask it to correct the mistake here. So I will give the prompt that it is just the React template. Can you please correct it? Right. So let me complete the prompt first. Right. So now again Kiro is thinking, and now it actually corrected the code. So let's see in localhost again if it is working or not. So now you can see that the calculator app is up again. I will provide the calculation and it is running successfully. There are no errors. And yeah, that's about Kiro app. Now let's try to change the background. So again I will give the same prompt and let's see if it asks us to for the color or not. So again it asked us to give the color. I will provide dark solid again, right? It has changed something in app CSS. Now let's verify this in localhost if it is applied successfully. So now you can see that the background is changed successfully, right? So that's about Kiro. Now here you can see the usage, how much tokens you have used. The dashboard is again very nice. So here you can see that I've almost used 5.85 requests out of 50. So all the three apps work pretty amazing in their free tier, but if you ask me particularly, then I think Windsurf is a clear winner. It is much more amazing and powerful even in free tier. But of course, if you want for a paid version of the app, then I think Cursor is the way to go. The community for it is the most powerful among these three.